How this Windows command works: echo %path : semicolon equals and echo dot %. Searching for a solution to print paths inside path variable in Windows command line, I came to this solution. The answer is this command. Now I wonder how this works.
That's an interesting solution that I've never seen before. Let me try to explain. To print the entire path, use echo %path %. This will print all directories on a single line separated with semicolons. To search, replace a string in a variable, use %path : a equals b %, which will replace all the characters with b. Echo dot is used to print a new line, and amp is used to separate commands. For example, echo line 1 and amp echo line 2 will print two lines. In effect, semicolons in the path are replaced with a command to print a new line. Or maybe it is interpreted as replace with nothing, and then print a new line. I can't find any documentation on this, so it's just my interpretation. Frankly, I didn't even know that was possible, but there you go. Update: my interpretation of this step seems to be off, and is better explained by WizWiz4.
This is using command line variable substitution. %path column equals and amp echo dot % means %path %, but replace all s with and amp echo dot. This means that with set path equals c column / Windows / System32 c column / Windows / semicolon c column / Python 37 becomes. Since and amp is a command separator, this is equivalent to due to quirks of DOS batch, echo dot is identical to echo except when there's nothing after it. If that's the case, it simply prints nothing, instead of telling you whether echo is on or off. This will make the output really, it should be echo dot %path column equals and amp echo dot % to account for the case where %path % starts with a, but this command is pretty clever anyway. Getting into detailed details, really echo should be used instead of echo dot. This is because echo dot can have problems when you've got a file called echo, and is slow because it has to check the disk, %cd %, and I think also all of %path % every time it runs. I don't have a copy of Windows, so I can't check it myself. Is it just %cd % or anywhere in the %path % that the presence of the echo file will affect echo dot, and what does it do?
The interpreter works in two consecutive passes. Pass 1 performs all parameter substitutions. But a little documented feature of parameter substitution is that for each individual parameter a secondary substitution is instructed with the syntax, string 1 equals string 2 after the parameter name. This is repeated multiple times if string 1 appears more than once. Only then does pass 2 interpret the line for execution. Try this for demystification. Echo %path Windows equals Unix %.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.